seen. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm gonna be in the kitchen showing you an incredibly delicious, easy Hatch green chili salsa.
So hot. Want to touch the hiney?
All right, so if you like to see how I made this bomb-ass salsa, keep watching. But I just kind of made this recipe up off the top of my head. It tastes really delicious.
I'm editing, and I just wanted to mention where I got the idea for this recipe from. I was scrolling through Facebook. And my friend Jennifer posted a picture. And this is where I got the idea for this salsa recipe.
Stop it when it's hot, it's hot.
The green tomatoes, the jalapenos, the Hatch chilies, everything is garlic and roasted. We're just gonna start putting all of this in the blender. All right, so everything's going into the blender. Next, you're gonna want to put some cilantro. And next, we're gonna squeeze some fresh lime juice in there. Gonna put just a little splash of chicken broth. And some fresh Himalayan sea salt. Okay. Since it's hot, I'm gonna put something over the lid. garlic, the Hatch chilies, the jalapenos. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm excited. I can't wait to try this. I have no idea what he brought it over before, but I didn't try it because my stomach was kind of... Okay, I don't know. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Okay, so he should be off of work soon. I'm gonna let him try this. It's super easy, so I'm gonna put this on like my eggs. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this on everything. I'm gonna put this on some chicken. I'm gonna put this on some steaks. Damn, that's good.
Oh, hot damn. This is my jam.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this super easy and delicious hatch chili salsa recipe. I hope you try it. It's super delicious.